Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Dharma means which is given by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is Dharma. You cannot manufacture Dharma. Just like nowadays, so many dharmas have been manufactured. They are not Dharma. Dharma means the order which is given by the law. That is Dharma. That's why Krishna says, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja. We have manufactured so many dharmas, Hindu dharma, Muslim dharma, Christian dharma, Parsi dharma, Buddha dharma, this dharma, that dharma. They are not dharma. They are mental concoction. Mental concoction. Otherwise, there will be contradiction. Take for example, the Hindus think cow killing is adharma, and the Muslims think that cow killing is their dharma. Then which is correct? Whether cow killing is adharma or not adharma. So these are mental conduct. Chaitanya Chaitamritakar says, এই ভালো এই মন্দ সব মনোধর্ম, mental concoction. Real dharma is what is ordered by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is dharma. Therefore Krishna says, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja. Give up your all manufactured dharma. Here is the real dharma. Saranam braja. Just become surrender unto me. That is real dharma. Dharmantu sakshat bhagavat-panita. Just like law. Laws can be manufactured or can be given by the government. You cannot make any law at your home. That is not law. Law means the order given by the government. The supreme government is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Aham sarvasya prabhava matta paratarang nanyat. There is nobody greater than Krishna. Therefore, the order given by Krishna is Dharma. Our this Krishna consciousness movement is that Dharma. Krishna says, Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekam saranam braja. You give up all other so-called dharmas. This dharma, that dharma, so many dharmas. Simply just surrender unto me. So we are preaching the same principle. And that is confirmed by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. আমার আজ্ঞায় গুরু হইয়া তারো এই দেশ, যারে দেখো তারে কহ কৃষ্ণ উপদেশ. This is done. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not manufacture any new system of dharma. No. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayati Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namini. So, the only difference is, he is Krishna himself. The only difference is that Krishna, as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, directly orders that you give up all nonsense, simply surrender unto me. this is Krishna, because he is Supreme Personality of God, is giving directly order. The same Krishna, because people misunderstood him, even big scholars, they say it is too much, that Krishna is ordering like that. But they are rascals, they do not know, they cannot understand what is Krishna. Therefore, because people misunderstood him, Krishna came as a devotee to teach how to surrender to Krishna perfectly. Krishna came, just like sometimes my servant gives me massage. I say, by giving his head massage, do like this. So I am not his servant, but I am teaching him. Similarly, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself, but he is teaching perfectly how to approach Krishna, how to serve Krishna. The same principle. Krishna said, you surrender unto me, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, you surrender to Krishna. So on principle there is no change.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.